So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to gather your photos from the Motion unit, and you are going to make a new folder. So you're going to go into your OneDrive, you'll make a new folder, you're going to label it Motion, and then you are going to put your Motion photos in that folder. You do not want to have more than 30 photos in there, but the requirement is 20. You'll get bonus points if you have extra. You should not have repeats from your classmates. So make sure that you guys discuss what photos you are claiming, like that is your photo, you took it, all right, and nobody else uses it. So you have your photos. I need you to go in there. You can label them blur and stop, or slow and freeze. You can number them. If you just want to number them, that is fine as well. And you'll put them in your folder. Then from there, you're going to go to Photoshop. And what you'll do is you will come down here to Automate, and you will select Contact Sheet. From here, you're going to make sure that this says Folder, so you can use the drop-down menu. You don't want files, you want the folder. You'll hit the Choose. You'll click the folder that you want, hit OK, hit OK, and it will circle just like you see here, and it will take a few minutes, but when it's all said and done, it should look like all right. Well, it's not. It should look like that previous page. It'll have that. All right, so then we are going to go and we're going to save the changes. So yes. And what you're going to do is you're going to name it Contact Sheet. And you'll put your initials, BD, and then you are going to come down here and you're going to save it as a JPEG. Oh, it's not there. Okay, so let's see here. Save a copy. You need to save it as a copy. And then you can find the JPEG. Make sure it's JPEG and not anything else JPEG. Just plain old JPEG. Hit save. Hit OK. And then that is what you submit in the Canvas.